because their plan is, see that it's nice, no pieces there, green color and red color, and it's just brand new. It has still have a tag in it. So um, I like the rubber that they put to hold it on. It's a rubber. It's nice. You will anyway. Oh god, I feel sleepy now. My store is still open. So she's giving me this. You know, she keeps a lot of old pictures for the memory of her family here in the Philippines, because she's been in the US for 33 years. um she have more life, she spent more life in the US than it is here in the Philippines. My sister was 21 years old when uh, she got to she got in US, and ever since they lived there for 33 years of marriage with her husband. So she keep all these pictures of ours, the family back here in the Philippines, together with my mom and dad, my brother and sister, niece and nephews, and my husband was still alive there. My husband's still there also. So we were we were we were all together, and my brother and sister that was in Mindanao, they came over just to visit. So it's an old picture, it's just a memory. And um, she hasn't went to the cemetery to visit my mom yet, but I'm sure she will pretty soon, as soon as she's not busy anymore, and then she'll have time to go to cemetery to visit my mom here in Cebu. And I hope she can, before she go back to the US, or before they go back to the US, I hope that she can visit my father in Mindanao, my father's grave in Mindanao, and my two brothers grave in Mindanao. So I hope she will visit there before they go back to the US. And maybe their plan B will be, if they don't like her in the Philippines, maybe they will just, when they go back to the US, maybe they will just live in a campers, or live in I don't know what you call it, yeah, campers, yeah, or RB. They're just gonna live in an RB or RB, yeah, whatever. Yeah, things like that. So it's, they did not I guess her husband did not expect that's what's what happened here in the Philippines, or that's how it's done here in the Philippines. But we are so lucky, or that they have to visit here in the Philippines, you know. They got to visit here in the Philippines though, so which is good, which is really good. Wait, okay, wait, I'm just looking something. Oh, I forgot the item mix.